Nigeria would be a very good example of this, as before 2012, 40% of the children who died below the age of 5 were dying because of preventable diseases that you could prevent with vaccines. And the deployment, large scale, of our products in the country with the help of Prevshed allowed us to really improve the situation in the country.
It started as far back as 2013 when the government, in consultation with the development partners, worked out some funds to help improve immunization. Before then, most of the health facilities in Nigeria did not have any access to good vaccine because there were no good storage facilities. It was about 17% of the health facilities, almost 10,000 facilities, had access to vaccine refrigerators that were functional. Others were not working. So after a painstaking study, facilities were identified, and some funds came from Gavi, and the government started the first procurement of vaccine refrigerators. As at that time was 1,656 units. Then it was deployed across the nook and crannies of the country, and that was the beginning of the transformation of the Nigerian sector. It was a very big success because before then nothing of such has been taking place in Nigeria. So our company worked very closely with B Medical System, and they trained our technicians, and we were able to deploy the systems. And following that, we covered a huge ground and closed the gap to a very large extent, which made it possible for people in the rural areas, health facilities, to have access to good vaccine. And that also punctured the spread of polio and other vaccine preventable diseases in Nigeria.
Fortunately, yes. At the time that we speak, we are deploying the same kind of efforts and products in the country of RDC in Congo, and also very successful, but also a country where we see that the difficulties are very high level due to the distance and the areas where these units have to be deployed. But the success rate is very close to what we have achieved in Nigeria. I think the future challenges are of different natures. First of all, we are capable, and I think we have proven to be capable to deploy large-scale cold chain products in very remote areas worldwide. But the difficulties we face today are of two issues. First of all, it's the bureaucratic and the administrative hurdles that we need to pass, and I think we need to have a better cooperation with organizations like Gavi, PATH, UNICEF, and the others to make sure that the administrative obligations, of course, could be processed a lot quicker than what is the case today. And the second challenge would be that we continue to develop products which have the high reliability rate that we have proven today, as our failure rate is today below 0.6%, which is an excellent performance. We are very supportive of these approaches because this really puts a better framework around the existing market. It ensures that quality products are being brought to the market, but there too, again, we have an administrative challenge because we see that there is a lot of delay happening between the reality of the terrain products which have been qualified, which have been proven to comply to these new standards, but it is not published. So between the moment of passing the certification and being registered as such, the delay is quite long, and this is something that we need to improve. On the total cost of ownership, I think there the tool is going to be an excellent tool for the Ministries of Health to be used in the future, but it still has some weaknesses today because the TCO tool today does not reflect the reliability of the products, does not reflect the lifespan of the products, And these are really two critical components of the quality of a product. If a product benefits of a 10-year warranty, then the total cost of ownership is completely different compared to a product which has maybe 12 months of warranty. As you know, this year has been the very first year that we have participated to these events, and I must say that we're very happy with the outcome of these events, because I think we really have access to quite a large number of people that we do not regularly meet in our daily business today, and to be able to present our company, our products and our efforts to all of these people is very beneficial for us. So I think for sure next year we will continue to participate in the events, and I think the success is also due to the quality of the participants, which is very high and which is really the right people that we need to talk to.